Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 2 of CSS. This week is the resume, and in order to have a resume, we have to find a job. So that's what you're going to do this week is learn where to look for a job, explore some of the places that advertise jobs, and then I want you to find a job that you could see yourself potentially applying for when you leave us here at Lake Area Tech, so you get a feel for how to take the job announcement, and the qualities that they're looking for, and how to mesh it with the skills of your resume. So I want to show you what we're going to be doing this week with the slides and just kind of run you through what the week looks like. So I'm going to start you out with a little document that tells you what a resume should and should not do. And one of the things I want to highlight in this document is that a resume never uses pronouns like I am, I was, no pronouns. And in addition to no pronouns, we don't use paragraphs, we don't use sentences. You have about 8 seconds to make someone decide if you're going to stay in the keep pile or if you're going in the garbage. So when people see paragraphs or they see resumes that are packed full, they get scared because our attention span, believe it or not, is only 10 seconds. So if you bore someone in a resume, chances are they're not going to read it. People want to skim a resume. So we want them to see the most important information right away. And we can't do that in paragraphs and in sentences. So that's why we say no sentences. In addition, I don't think I say it in this document, but your resume needs to be very well balanced. If you see white space like you do here, it's not a well-balanced resume. So when you build that resume this week, I want you to use both sides of the paper in an equal format. You want it to look full. Because you know what happens when I see that white space, I think, not qualified. I don't intend to feel that or judge that. It just happens. So a resume that is balanced and looks full but not crammed tends to register with the person viewing it a more qualified applicant. Whether it is or it isn't, that's kind of the way it is. So read that, and I'm going to start you then off with some videos where you're just going to watch the video, and then I want you to take a short quiz just to make sure you got the basic, most important information out of each quiz. You will do about 4 of those videos for me. And then after you finish those videos, then we are actually going to find a job. You're going to go out there, you're going to hunt. You're going to find some websites that currently have a listing of jobs, and then you're going to report back to us. What'd you think of that site? Do you need to sign up for it? Do you need an account? Was it easy to use? Things like that. And you're going to teach the rest of us what you found in each job advertisement site. And then once you kind of get a feel for where to look for a job in your area, then in this next assignment, I want you to potentially go find a job that you could see yourself applying for in the near future. You're going to download that. You're going to keep what they are looking for as far as skills, because you're going to use the skills in this job advertisement to tweak your own resume. Because believe it or not, a resume needs to be modified for each job that you apply for. So we are going to use this job that you find as kind of a model for tweaking our own resume. So that Selling You document that you uploaded last week, keep that with you, keep it by your side, and I want you to keep filling it in as you recall things in your past experiences that you think, oh, that helped me with this skill, that helped me develop that skill, because you're going to start plugging that in now in these documents. So the final thing, I have some videos where I talk to you about how to set your header, how to do your objective, how to build your education. And then I give you, I believe, a sample resume, and there are sample resumes in my portal as well, things that I want you to look at. And then that's it. You will then build the resume and you will put it in the forum. And I want for the rest of the week, once you get it built, I want you to comment on each other's and give feedback to each other in hopes that we can make it a better resume so that we don't have to spend so much time tweaking it. So I want you to kind of be the eyes for everyone else. All right? And that'll complete your week. And as always, let me know if you have issues, problems. You guys have been very good about that. I appreciate the emails that I have gotten so far. So hey, everyone, you have a great week, and I'll see you next Monday.